ASK Trade and Exhibitions Pvt Ltd, bringing business to do business. Our vision is creating multiple business platforms with unlimited business opportunities. ASK is a professional exhibition organizing firm that has proficiency in turning tangible ideas into a creative reality. With over 2 decades of experience, having organized shows in over 10 verticals, organizing for 20 years. Executed over 150+ trade shows, enabled 3,000+ international companies to explore the market. Our expertise lies in identifying the emerging sectors which have scope and potential for organizing a trade show and creating a platform for the industry to interact and engage, and play the catalytic role in the growth and progress of various sectors by bringing global technology to the doorsteps of local players. Into the 23rd edition, Garment Technology Bangladesh has established as the biggest and most preferred trade show for sourcing garment machinery and allied products. Into the 12th edition, Yarn, Fabric and Accessories Sourcing Show, preferred as the focused sourcing show of yarn, fabrics and accessories. TexChem showcases textile chemicals and allied products organized concurrently with Yarn, Fabrics and Sourcing Show. Into the 11th edition, LeatherTech Bangladesh is the largest and pioneering trade show related to finished leather, footwear machinery, parts, components, chemicals and accessories, known as the Industry Networking Forum. Into the 14th edition, Garment Accessories and Packaging Expo is the only focused international trade show for the sourcing of garment accessories, packaging products, and machinery, providing a platform for the SME accessories and packaging manufacturers to showcase their capabilities. Into the 9th edition, Bangladesh BuildCon is known for international participation of building and construction equipment, machinery, materials, and allied products. Into the 9th edition, Bangladesh Wood is the pioneering trade show exclusive to the wood and woodworking sector of the country. PrintTech Bangladesh is known for showcasing latest technology related to screen, digital, sublimation printing machinery, parts, and consumables. We at ASK Trade and Exhibitions identify an emerging opportunity and create a platform to benefit local industry. We enable market access, expand business, and catalyze collaborations. With us, you would find a team which is creative, experienced, and committed to make every event a fulfilling experience for all the stakeholders. We thus facilitate to do business intelligently in the era of artificial intelligence.